Let's imagine our body as a garden or as a car. Just like a car needs a spark plug or a garden needs nutrients in its soil, exactly in the same way, our body needs minerals in order to run smoothly and to stay healthy throughout the whole life. Minerals are tiny nutrients that our body cannot make on its own, and so we must get them from different types of food sources. Now, minerals can help our body in many ways. For example, minerals can help us in strengthening our bones, moving our muscles, sending nerve signals, and powering up our cells, which is essential to keep our body alive and healthy. So, in this video, we will mainly focus on three main superstar minerals, which are iron, magnesium, and selenium. And I will also be showing how important these three minerals are for our everyday health. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be the topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Now, think of minerals as our body's little helpers. Each minerals perform specific functions. For example, without minerals, our brain will not be able to function properly, or we will face issues in our blood flow. They are like ingredients of a recipe, and if we miss even a single ingredient, then the whole food will not taste so good, isn't it? So, if we are missing essential minerals from our body, then we will face issues like tiredness, fatigue, weakness, or we can become prone to sickness. So, let's meet our minerals. That is magnesium for nerves, muscles and energy, iron for blood and oxygen, and selenium for antioxidant protection and thyroid function as well. Magnesium is like a traffic light for our nerves as well as muscles. It provides them relaxation and make them work properly. Magnesium is one of the key players when it comes to moving our muscles or beating of our heart. For example, whenever we are having a muscle cramp, magnesium helps our muscles to get relaxed, which can prevent us from having painful leg cramps. Magnesium helps our body in getting energy from the foods that we eat and keeps our heart rhythm steady. Magnesium is also crucial for keeping our bones as well as teeth healthy throughout the life. If we are not having enough magnesium, then our body will let us know by giving some signs or symptoms. For example, we will feel tired or weakness because our muscles will not be able to work at its peak. We might feel muscle spasms or some kind of shaking or tremors. Sometimes people might feel irritable or find it hard to go to sleep. In severe cases, heartbeats can become irregular, or we might feel numbness or tingling in our hands and feet. All these symptoms suggest that we are having deficiency of magnesium. But fortunately, true magnesium deficiency is kind of uncommon in healthy people, but they can still have magnesium deficiency if they are losing magnesium too much or they are having too little amount of magnesium. Now, how can we prevent ourselves from losing excess magnesium? Well, the good news is we can find magnesium in our everyday foods like green leafy vegetables like spinach, cashews, peanuts, almonds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, beans and whole grains. We can also get magnesium from dairy products like milk and yogurt. All these foods contain high amount of magnesium which are easily accessible to all of us. So, we should make sure that we are having sufficient amount of magnesium in our body in order to maintain overall health. We all must be knowing about this particular mineral, which is iron, because it is quite famous for its role in our blood. Iron is like a hook which carries oxygen from our red blood cells and provided to our lungs and then to different parts of our body. If we call iron as a superhero, then its ability will be providing our body with a lot of energy. Now, since iron is responsible for giving our body oxygen as well as energy, then if our body is not having enough iron, then we might feel tired or fatigued throughout the whole day. Iron is also crucial for growing children, for our immune system and for synthesizing our hormones as well. Lack of iron is kind of very common worldwide. When we are low in iron, we can develop iron deficiency, which is anemia. In this condition, our blood will not be able to carry as much oxygen as required by our body to function. Some of the common symptoms are feeling tired or fatigued all the time, getting dizziness or lightheaded most of the time, feeling breathlessness especially while going upstairs. We might also feel cold even though the temperature is not that cool, and our skin and nails will start to look a little bit pale in color. Some people might get headache or have troubles in concentrating. Growth of children will become retarded and they will face problems while learning if they are deficient of iron. Lack of iron can become dangerous in pregnant women or lactating women because they need extra iron for their body. Basically, whether we are a child, an adult, an elder or a pregnant woman, all of us need sufficient amount of iron in order to keep our body functioning. Now, we can get iron from both plant as well as animal based foods, but we will get better iron from animal foods as compared to plant foods, but we can still get iron in some amount from plant based foods. So, animal foods like all the non-veg foods, which includes meat, chicken, seafoods, contain high amount of iron. We can also get iron from plant food sources like beans, lentils, dark green leafy vegetables, cereals, etc., which can boost up our iron levels in a healthy way. So, we should mainly focus on having adequate amount of iron in our diet in order to keep our body healthy and fully energized. Now comes the third mineral, which is kind of less common, but it's a very powerful protector of our body, which is selenium. Imagine some tiny bodyguards like antioxidants which protect our cells from getting damaged. Selenium is that mineral which make those tiny bodyguards. Selenium is a key component of our antioxidant which helps in fighting off free radicals that can build up in our body due to stress or pollution, which can directly lead to inflammation. Selenium is also needed by a thyroid gland because it converts thyroid hormones into its active form. Selenium also supports our immune system by helping it in fighting off illness more easily and efficiently. Complete selenium deficiency is kind of rare if we are having diversity in our diet. But still, if our body is having insufficient amount of selenium, then it can create some health issues. For example, in severe cases, lack of selenium can create problems in our heart muscles. It can weaken our immune system and can create problems in our thyroid gland as well. Basically, if our body is not having adequate selenium, then it can create health problems, and if our body is having too much of selenium, then also we can face some health issues. The whole point is we should ensure that we are keeping our selenium levels balanced so that we are keeping our cells, immune system, thyroid gland, basically our entire body healthy. The top superstar food for selenium is Brazil nuts. Research suggests that just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can give us all the selenium that we need throughout the whole day. Other food sources like meats, seafoods, chicken and eggs can also provide us with a very good amount of selenium. Plant-based foods like whole grains, seeds, fruits, vegetables and even dairy products can also provide us selenium in some amount. It's usually best to get selenium from food sources rather than going for some supplements until and unless it's necessary and been prescribed by a health professional. But we should mainly go for healthy food sources in order to provide our body sufficient amount of selenium. Let's conclude this video by saying that minerals like magnesium, iron and selenium are small but mighty. They support our cells, blood, muscles, immune system, energy, blood, bones and prevent our body from several damage. If we ever feel unusually tired or fatigue, muscle cramps or we get sick very often, then it would be worth it to check whether we are getting enough of these minerals or not. Just remember, eating a colorful variety of whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, cereals, dairy products, meats, eggs and many more such foods is the best way to give our body these essential minerals. So, all you need to do is you should keep your mineral levels topped up for a healthy you. That's it. Do let me know in the comment section, do you agree that even though minerals are micronutrients, but still it is very crucial for our overall health? If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also add these 3 minerals into their diet. And if you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. And remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.